Newlong Industrial Company, Limited.
Newlong Industrial Sewing Machine. Among the special sewing machines in the DR series, the DR-3A is a machine that sews straight stitches on thick fabrics such as jute, PP, and container bags. Nowadays, it is mainly used for sewing container bags rather than for jute bags.
Let's thread it through. Newlong Industrial Company, Limited.
Now let's take a look at how to sew a container bag using the DR-3A.
How did you like it? If you have any questions or requests for quotes, please contact Newlong Industrial Company, Limited. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the good button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. ありがとう。